Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to enable the dark mode in Kik. Now let us begin. Do you note that I have already logged into my account? In case you have not done that, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Now let us simply look at how to enable the dark mode. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply click on the profile icon at the top. Click on it right now. Once you guys do that, you will be redirected to this page. From here, as you guys can see, lots and lots of options. But for now, all you guys need to do is focus on this button called as Chat Settings. Click on it, and this is it guys. From here, as you guys can see, you can change the chat bubble colors and everything. But right now, what you want to do is simply focus on this button called as Dark Mode. As you guys can see, currently it is off. Simply toggle on this button right here. And that's it guys, that's how you enable the dark mode in Kik. The process is quite easy. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.